Hello all, welcome back. This is Ram Prakash Traisamy. So in this video we will see how to mask an attribute in Dataverse or in Microsoft Dynamics CRM environment. So for that, first navigate to your make.powerapps.com and click on solution. I have already created a solution here which named RAM. So I'm just opening that solution. So where you can able to find that one. So for that you can just directly click on new and click on security. So here you can able to see there are attribute masking rule available, column security profile available, secured masking rule available, and security role available. What is column security profile? So for that you can define who are all can access, like you can provide a user or you can provide a team, add a team to that column security profile so that that respective persons only can able to view that one. For us, I need to mask some of the data. For example, if I'm having an email address called ram@gmail.com, I need to hide the gmail.com because I don't want to show the domain to all the users. So how can I achieve these type of behaviors here? So for that, you need to use an attribute masking rule. For using the attribute masking rule, for example, if I'm just click on attribute masking rule here, you need to have a secured masking rule available. For example, there is already some of the rules are available like email, hide name, a social security number, show last four digits. So such kind of rule already available. Now let's create our own rule here. So for that, I'll just directly come to my solution. I'll click on new security. I'm creating a secured masking rule here. So once I click on this one, it will open a separate page for us. So here I'm just going to provide as a email masking. I'm just providing a name like this. So the display name, I'll provide the same as email masking, and description, um, hide domain name from email address. Okay, so here we need to use a regular expression. So I have this regular expression already. I prepared this one. So using this one, it will automatically hide after the domain name. So I'll just show you the demo part as well. So for masking character, I'll just put a star here. So now for testing purpose, I'll say ram at kantaso.com. So I'll just copy this one, and this is not a mandatory, but I'm just providing it here. And here you can able to see the masked plain text data will automatically gets populated. Now if I click on save, so here you can able to see it automatically populated with ram at the rate and the star, which is like this is the masked character which I just provided here. Now once you've done this one, you need to create an attribute masking for this one. For this, whatever which we have created, it's ram underscore email masking is getting populated. So as we are going to use an attribute masking, so before starting the attribute masking, you need to make sure that the column level security is enabled for the respective field which we plan to use it. So for now, I'm going to use for a contact. So I'll just directly go to table. I'll add an existing table here. I'll say contact. I'll select the contact. I'll click on next, and I'll edit the object. So I'll select the email column, like email one. I'll add it. So I'm just adding only one column because I'm not going to use for any others. So I'm just adding only one. So I'm click on contact and I'll click on columns here. So this is the email column. So if I click on this email column, and if you scroll down, so here you can able to see column enable column security. So you need to have this one so that you can able to use it. So there are two ways you can create a masking rule for attribute masking rule. So one, you can directly select this one like whatever which we have. So you can just directly select the email mask and you can click on save. It will automatically create a record in the backend. It will automatically gets created. If not, how we can do the same way, if I come to the attribute masking, I'll provide a unique name, contact underscore email masking. I'll provide the what can I say, the logical name. So here the logical name is email address one. I'll copy this one, and which table we are using. It's a contact table. So I'm going to input the contact logical name as well. And the secured masking rule. So whatever which we have created, I just selected that one. I'll just save this one now. Now I'll go to my solution. So I'll go to, oh sorry, I'll directly go to all. I'll click on add existing, click on security, attribute masking. Okay, I think here you can able to see. So this is the attribute masking which we have created, and this is the secure masking we have created. So we use this security masking in our attribute masking, what can I say, record. So now we'll directly go and test it out. So this is the contact record which I have already created. So I'm just refreshing this record now. And here you can able to see email available. And what I'll do is I'll just input my email address here, and I'll just click on save. So once I click on save, here you can able to see the record automatically mask, sorry, the value which I provided post at the rate, which is nothing but a domain name, it automatically gets masked here. So the steps whatever we have followed is creating a security masking and attribute masking. Hope you like this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.